I took Katrina's job ad rewrite workshop and I absolutely loved it. I liked how she took us through the entire process, starting from the hiring manager intake questions, followed it up with when to use a bullet point, when not to use a bullet point, and just focus on experience and not skills. It was all very practical. A lot of people say workshop, and what it means to them is just an hour of them talking to you. And that's not what this was. This was real life examples. You actually had to bring in a job ad that you were working on and apply what she was teaching right then and there to your job ad. So it wasn't boring at all because you were using examples. She was giving real examples. Everyone else, you were hearing everyone else's examples. You had an actual example. I loved that right after the training, I could just take an hour of my time, finish up rewriting the job ad that I was working on, and I actually republished the new version of my ad with what I learned in the workshop, and it actually did work better than the ad that I had up before. That's the type of training that I like. Straight to the point, practical, not just someone talking about hypothetical things. And I was able to apply it and use it immediately. Katrina is also extremely funny, so it was very enjoyable training.